Hello children, do you know there is a playground behind my house? There are 7 trees in that playground. I am going to plant 4 more trees this year and another 8 next year. And then I will have lovely green woods. Children, you should also add trees to your surrounding. Today we are going to do addition. Addition is a very interesting concept and we are going to make it even more interesting using these counters. We have here different colored counters. We will represent ones by red counter, tens by blue counter, hundreds by green counter and thousands by yellow counter. Using these counters, we will add numbers 2253, 3341 and 3523. Now we will represent these numbers using counters. Our first number is 2253. 2000 will be represented by 2 yellow counters, 200 by 2 green counters, 50 by 5 blue counters and 3 by 3 red counters. Do you realize why? Because each yellow counter stands for thousands, each green counter stands for hundreds, each blue counter stands for tens and each red counter stands for ones. Our next number is 3341. So 3000 will be represented by 3 yellow counters, 300 by 3 green counters, 40 by 4 blue counters and 1 by 1 red counter. So this is our number 3341. Next number is 3000. So 3000 will be represented by 3 yellow counters. 500 will be represented by 5 green counters. 20 will be represented by 2 blue counters and 3 will be represented by 3 red counters. So our numbers are now ready. We always start our addition from ones place. So let us first add our ones. We have 3 plus 1 4 plus 3 7. So we have 7 red counters with us. Let us bring these 7 red counters in the final column. Next we move on to tens column. We have 5 plus 4 9 plus 2 11. So now we have 11 blue counters with us. We bring these 11 blue counters down here. But as these are 11 now, we know that 10 tens is equal to 100. So we can replace these blue counters by 1 green counter. So I remove all these blue counters and I have 1 green counter and 1 blue counter. But this is not the right place to keep a green counter. Green counter should be in hundreds place. So I shift it here. Now I add the rest of the green counters here. I have 2 plus 3 5 plus 5 10 here. So I bring all these 10 green counters in the last place. Now I have again 11 green counters. In these 11 green counters, 10 green counters can be replaced by 1 yellow counter. Why? Because 10 hundreds is 1000. So now I have 1 yellow counter and 1 green counter. As this is not the place to keep a yellow counter, so I shift the yellow counter to thousands place. So now let us add the thousands place. I have 2 plus 3 plus 3, that is 8 yellow counters and 1 yellow counters was from the carry forward. So in total I have 9 yellow counters. So my number is 9117. Did you understand that?